Welcome to Jewel at Buangkok. Jewel at Buangkok is a development that is within 3 minutes walk to the nearest MRT, Buangkok MRT station. This development is about 200,000 square feet worth of land. This is a mid-sized development with 616 units ranging from 1 to 5 bedroom. And today, for the purpose of this video, we are showing a 3-bedroom premium at 1109 square feet facing an unblocked view. Jewel at Buangkok is a development that is perfect for people who value convenience and also families with kids. We are within 1 kilometer to 6 primary schools, meeting all your educational needs. We are also within 2 minutes walk to the Sengkang Grand Mall, which is a newly built mall back in 2024 with mall tenants like NTUC FairPrice, restaurants and also a full-fledged hawker centre. Jewel at Buangkok is a development with ample facilities. Primarily, all the facilities are broken down into 4 areas. On the Zone 1, we have the 50 meters lap pool, the gym and the function room. And in Zone 2, we have the family pool. We also have barbecue pavilion as well. In the third zone, we have the spa pool, we have a tea garden, and in the final zone, we do have a children's playground, a pets corner, a tennis court, and 2 more barbecue pavilion, meeting all your needs. So if you are looking for a new home or place to call an investment because of evergreen demand in this location, do reach out to me, Bryan E, and I'll be in touch with you shortly.